Module 1, Coding and Programming Skills. Lesson 3, Simple and Constructed Data Types. Almost every program needs to work with data. It sometimes receives input data or gives output data, and it also sometimes needs temporary or auxiliary information during its execution. There are two main syntactic components that are related with data: variables, which are a subcategory of identifiers, and constants. And there are also different data types: numbers, strings, Boolean data, images, signals, etc. Simple data types are considered as those related with binary information, text, and numbers. Binary or Boolean data types use a single bit to codify its two possible values: 0 to codify the false value, and 1 to codify the true value. Text data types codify characters or strings. Extended ASCII codification is widely employed to codify 256 characters and symbols with 8 bits, while strings are constructed as a set of several characters. Numeric data types codify numbers of different types: non-negative integers, integers, rational numbers, etc. Depending the type of number, the resolution or the range of the number there are different data types, different codifications, and use a different number of bits. Collections. While simple data types are composed by a single element, the only exception is the string, composed by a set of characters. Collections are constructed data types composed by several simple or composed data types. There is a variety of collection data types that vary also among different programming languages. Nevertheless, there are a set of common characteristics: mutability, which refers to the possibility of modify the items of the collection after its initialization; order, which indicates if the order of the elements is or is not relevant to the user; homogeneity. Elements in homogeneous collections belong to the same data type, while elements in heterogeneous collections could belong to different data types; dimension, which is a characteristic of array-type collections and indicate the number of dimensions of the collection: 1D, 2D, 3D, etc. Collections are important specifically in the industrial environment. There are two groups of data types to be mentioned. On the one hand, time series data are related with monitoring sensors that measure one or more parameters periodically. They used to be managed with 1D homogeneous ordered collections. On the other hand, image-related data uses multidimensional homogeneous collections to manage these information. Depending on the characteristics of these data types, it is possible to deal with black and white images, RGB images, or multispectral images, and also with different pixel resolution and different color depths.